Hello everyone. Recently I bought this Zoom multi-effects pedal or multi-stomp, whatever. I got it pretty cheap from Thomann. I think it was 55 euros or something. And mainly I bought this because I already got the Zoom CDR70 multi-stomp, but I put it on my pedal board because it has several different cool reverbs and all kinds of sounds. Basically everything you need except for distortions. And because I put it on my pedal board and I keep my pedal board in our rehearsal space, I wanted to have something similar in home use because I only have my Telecaster and Vibrochamp XD amp here in my home. So I wanted to have something similar that you can do basically everything with it. And it's a pretty cool device, even though it's very plasticky and the sounds aren't necessarily the world class in all situations, but I think it's pretty good for the price, especially because it has also a looper and a drum machine, which is pretty, plasticky sounding, but it doesn't matter if you're just doing some like sketching with songs. I think it's pretty useful. The beats are pretty dull there, but I don't care. If you're just doing songs, it doesn't matter. But I noticed that this has like different type of distortions also, which the CDR70 doesn't have. So I was playing it and I tried to emulate the sound of a Boss Heavy Metal 2 pedal. And actually my friend got the pedal, so I borrowed it from him and I tried to replicate the sound as close as possible. And obviously it doesn't sound the same, but I think I got pretty close. If you're thinking about that, this is a digital multi-effects unit that has like different things here, and this is just simple analog distortion, and the settings for the classic Swedish death metal is like this, all knobs on full. Yeah, okay, let's check it out. Here I can show you the settings of my HM2 sounds. So first in the chain I used noise reduction, just basic settings there. And then I put the great muff, quite mild gain here. And then the next one is graphic EQ. I just boosted some mids there and lowered some lower mids and higher frequencies there. And then I used the metal world. I guess it's like metal zone type of thing. So there I also put some low gain settings there. and I tried to boost up level a little bit because I noticed that this one is a little bit quieter than the original boss. And the next one was again a graphic EQ. I tried to add some low frequencies there because it kind of felt like it was missing the punch that the HM2 was giving me. So that's it. Thank you for watching.